That's my flight. I've actually planned for a motorbike trip. My driver. Today I'm going to SAPA from Phong Nha Bay via Dong Hoi. बस ने मुझे यहाँ पे उतार दिया है. The airport is barely about 650 meters. The way you'll come from, and you have to go in there, this way, where the green taxi is going. बहुत गर्मी है यार आज. It's about 35. I'm glad I reached at 3:30. My flight is at 6, so I'll reach at the airport in about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Then I'll just check in. Finally reached the airport. This is Dong Hoi airport. Luckily मुझे AC के सामने एकदम जगह मिल गई. So I have checked in successfully and I'm just waiting for boarding. मेरी drone को भी they didn't ask for it. The thing is, it's very difficult. You have to ask for the permission for your every drone flight, which is very, very difficult. The thing is, I'm just here for about 8-9 days, and that would have been really difficult for me or anybody like me to get permission from Ministry of Defense. They're obviously not gonna take very short time. That's my flight. That's so cool. विंडो सीट मिली मुझे और वो भी एग्जैक्ट डोर वाली. If I don't follow the instructions in case of emergency, I'll be fined about 20 million. Don't. मैं पहुंच गया हूँ नोई बाई एयरपोर्ट. I'm at the capital city of Vietnam, Hanoi. I'm actually not gonna stay here in Hanoi. I've got plans for SAPA. I'm gonna catch sleeping bus for SAPA at 10:30, and I have to figure out what I should do for the next 3 hours. Just to let you know, SAPA is located in northwest Vietnam. It's a village area and mainly known for its rice fields. There are plenty of rice fields over there. I've actually planned for a motorbike trip. I'll visit some of the villages and meet with local people. I'm really excited. अभी बस एक गलती होने वाली थी मुझसे. I waited at Hanoi domestic airport for about 2-3 hours. Just before 10, I realized that I should just go now, and little did I know that the pickup was actually from international airport. The distance between international and domestic airport is about 500-600 meters, and there's a free shuttle service. I've already reached here, by the way, so I'm not gonna miss my bus anyways. This is the office of Green Bus. They let us sleep until 6. 8:30 हुए हैं और मैं अपने गाइड की वेट कर रहा हूँ. I'm gonna do a motorbike trip, so pretty excited. चलो शुरू करते हैं. बस एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है यहाँ पे. Hey, my driver has arrived, so I'm all ready. And she is Manmay, she's my driver, so I'll be riding with her. raining a lot, otherwise I wanted to stay here. बारिश तेज़ होने लग गई है। अभी हम एक टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन जा रहे हैं और गाइड ने बाइक उधर ही पार्क किया है अभी। नॉट टू श्योर हाउ द व्यू इज़ गोना बी, बट शी इज सेइंग इट्स अमेजिंग। लेट्स सी। Yeah.
Just some tree and some power lamp. You have to be careful.
Yeah. My guide gave me two options. Either I can go to a local restaurant or I can go to her place and learn something to cook, something Vietnamese. So I said, why not? Like, why not? I've been eating in a local restaurant, but I haven't learned to cook yet. So yeah, why not? Well, to be really honest, I'm not too familiar with the Vietnamese cuisine. I don't know a lot, but Vietnamese food is very, very delicious. I'll have the opportunity to meet with the family as well. That's your house? Very, very excited. The place looks awesome. बहुत ही solitude है यहाँ पे. My guide told me that she'll pick some vegetables from her backyard as well. So I'll just show you. The tour guide didn't let me cook because I was very sleepy right now. I came from Hanoi to SAPA last night. And I didn't get enough sleep, so she didn't let me cook, but she has already cooked.
Rice.
Thank you. This is tofu.
Yeah.
This is bamboo
Shoes.
shoots. This is
Choco.
choco. Okay, it's like onion.
Yeah.
This is pork with onion and pepper,
Yeah.
which is green chili.
Yeah.
This one,
Green vegetable.
green vegetable. Don't know what the meaning is.
Chili.
This is red chili. Yes. What is this made of?
Apple rice.
Rice.
Apple rice.
Apple rice.
Yeah.
All handmade.
Yes. All handmade.
You also do that?
Yes. Just I more than I do the night time.
Oh, you do that in the night
Yes.
time. Okay.
I have a Central Ta Phin village.
Central Ta Phin.
Yeah, it's 2,900 people living here.
I requested my guide to stop because I wanted to take a drone shot over here. The view is really, 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 really beautiful over here. I think this is very, 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 very beautiful.
Yeah. Got the flag.
About 7 o'clock हो रहे हैं. मैं कुछ खाने के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. सापा जैसी ये प्लेस मुझे बहुत पसंद आती है. जैसे सीएम रीप था इन कंबोडिया. But unfortunately I have to go tomorrow and I'll be leaving for Halong Bay. Whenever you come to Sapa, try to stay nearby the lake. Finally एक जगह मिली है जहाँ पे फ्राइड राइस मिलते हैं. Since Sapa has become kind of a tourist place, so I have to check the prices everywhere.